Have you ever seen all these crazy headlines about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, thought they might be a good investment, then gotten completely overwhelmed when you tried to figure out where to even begin? Let me tell you, you're not alone. The crypto world can feel like a confusing maze, filled with technical jargon and a million different platforms. But what if I told you there was a place where you could buy a wide variety of these new digital assets without needing a PhD in blockchain technology? A place where you could explore all the options, learn as you go, and maybe, just maybe, find the next big thing? Well, that's where Newton comes in. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Newton and exploring exactly what kind of cryptocurrencies you can buy on their platform. So, buckle up crypto newbies, and veterans too, because we're about to break down the digital goodies Newton has to offer. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick step back. What is Newton anyway? Simply put, it's a cryptocurrency exchange platform. Think of it like a giant online marketplace where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies, just like you would buy and sell stocks on a traditional stock exchange. The beauty of Newton is that it's designed for everyone, from crypto beginners to seasoned traders. Their user interface is clean and easy to navigate, and they offer a variety of educational resources to help you get comfortable in the crypto space. Alright, enough chit-chat, let's get down to business. What kind of cryptocurrencies can you buy on Newton? Well, they offer a pretty impressive selection, including all the big names you've probably heard of by now, like Bitcoin, BTC, the granddaddy of them all. Of course, you'll also find Ethereum, ETH, the platform that allows developers to build all sorts of cool applications on top of its blockchain technology. But here's the exciting part. Newton doesn't stop at just the major players. They also feature a bunch of up-and-coming cryptocurrencies with the potential to make some serious waves in the future. This is where things can get interesting for those looking to potentially invest in the next big thing. Here's a taste of what you might find on the menu. Cardano, ADA. This blockchain platform is known for its focus on security and scalability, making it a strong contender in the race to become the next big thing in smart contracts. Polkadot, DOT. This innovative project is building a network that allows different blockchains to communicate with each other, potentially opening up a whole new world of possibilities in the crypto space. Chainlink, this decentralized Oracle network is bringing real-world data to the blockchain, which could have huge implications for the future of decentralized applications, dApps. These are just a few examples, and with Newton, you'll have a whole treasure trove of other digital assets to explore. Now, it's important to remember that the crypto market is still young and volatile. Just because a cryptocurrency is new and exciting doesn't mean it's guaranteed to succeed. Always do your own research before you invest any money. But hey, that's part of the thrill of the crypto ride, right? The chance to discover the next big thing before it explodes. And with Newton's wide selection and user-friendly platform, you'll have everything you need to start your crypto exploration. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, Newton is a great place to dive into the world of cryptocurrencies. Remember, knowledge is power, so do your research, choose your investments wisely, and who knows, you might just become the next crypto millionaire. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.